Here is how to share a bill through the client portal in Clio Manage. While you are already logged into Clio Manage, start from the left navigation menu and click Billing. This opens the billing area where your firm's bills and related activity are managed. Once you are there, open the Bills tab so you are looking at the list of available bills. From that list, find the bill you want to share with the client. Take a moment to select the correct bill before opening it, especially if there are multiple matters or invoices with similar details. When you have the right one, click the bill to open it and view the full billing record. Before sending anything, make sure the bill is approved and ready to be sent to the client. This is an important check because the bill should be finalized before it is shared through the portal. If the bill is approved, continue by clicking Send on the bill. This opens the Send Bill window. In that window, select the client or contact who should receive the bill. After choosing the recipient, confirm that the email address shown is the correct one for that client or contact. This is the address that will receive the message and link connected to the shared bill. Next, look for the delivery method and select the option to send the bill using Clio for clients when that option is available. This sends the bill through the client portal rather than using only a standard email attachment. It also gives the client access through the link included in the message. Now review the email subject and the message that will go with the bill. Make sure the wording is appropriate for the recipient and that the message matches what you intend to send. Then confirm that the bill or invoice is included with the message before moving forward. This final review helps avoid sending the wrong item or sending the message without the bill attached. When everything looks correct, click Send to share the bill with the client. Clio Manage will send a message to the selected recipient with the link needed to access the shared bill through Clio for clients. After the message is sent, the client can open the link provided in that message and access the bill through Clio for clients. If you need to verify that the bill was sent, return to the same bill later in the billing section and review its sent status there. This gives you a record of whether the bill has already been shared through the portal. Thanks for watching. Your bill has now been shared with the client through Clio for clients.